How y'all doing? It's Monday morning. It's Memorial Day. And guess what? I'm not working. I changed my product. I didn't change my hustle. My product in 2022 is going to be storytelling. I'm going to be a griot. I'm going to be telling stories about Baltimore City, Baltimore County courts. I'm going to be telling stories about the best of Baltimore. I'm going to be telling stories that the world is going to see. The first story I'm going to tell you is going to be the story about me. The story about Shorty. Came to Baltimore in 1991. Straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections. I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country. N62528. State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis, 1986. The war on drugs. My whole thing is about the war on drugs. You feel me? So here we go. In 1986, I turned in guns and drugs to the police at the police station. I turned to my client list. It was judges, lawyers, and people in business that use cocaine and drugs, participating in prostitution. If you look at my criminal background, I was in the United States Navy in 1977, 78, and 79. During I ran Contra. The government taught me how to transport drugs. I know about longitude and latitude, make a lot of y'all change y'all's attitude. It's 2021, and I got the 2021 Weaver Award. If you look over my shoulder, that's a poster, and I ain't a poster child. I'm getting ready to post up. Social media for social change. Peter Francott, Governor Hogan, Governor O'Malley, City Solicitor O'Shea, Mayor Brandon Scott. In 1986, there was a corruption thing called Operation Greylord in Chicago. That's all I'm doing to you in Baltimore. Same thing that they did in Chicago, I brought that same corruption machine to Baltimore to dismantle your corruption. There's 52 members of the Democratic Party that participated in this, and it's all on court record. Mr. Fields, the Baltimore County lawyer, been blocking the investigation. Scott Shellenberger been blocking the investigation. Marilyn Mosby been blocking the investigation. This ain't football, y'all. This is the courts. I get due process and equal protections. You can't deny me access to the courts to protect your corruption. That's against the law. I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I ain't a jailhouse snitch. N62528. I'm a precedent-setting case, and my case was all about the war on drugs. It was about slavery. In 2011, y'all charged me with terrorism. You charged me with terrorism in 2007, twice in 2007, and once in 2011. I went to court and I beat you, and I want all my evidence. That's the Department of Justice. All right, that's the Department of Justice. And that's Johnny Oleski asking for a full investigation. I've been filming the police since 2006. You feel me? They will congratulate a person doing the same thing as you, just not you, cause it's you. Well, I ain't doing this for shame. I am not doing this for money. I'm doing this for change. Blacks have no rights in which white America respects. Me and Mary Washington had a conversation about this at Ace Hardware over there on Greenmount. Alright? I'm the 2021 Weaver Award. So I'm taking my award money and I'm making a book and a movie out of my life. I got like 13 books, 13 movies. I got a lot of information to give out to Baltimore. You're talking about Baltimore City. Y'all took my art exhibit down, but I'm getting ready to go to the Creative Alliance, and I got the Maryland Art Show in next weekend, the 9th and the 10th, if they pick me. You feel me? And this is what we're going to do. It's art and activism. It's art and activism. I'm an artist. I'm not a terrorist. I'm an activist. I'm an artist. I'm a community liaison. I'm a community leader. I'm a weaver. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. Alright? And these are the supporters of Shorties. Alright? Like I said, I'm making movies out of this. This is a movie about the Democratic Party and the war on drugs. T.J. Smith, Will Smith. It's a black reality. Alright? Blacks have created an extension of the ghetto. Alright? That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is this. That's Fox 45. And that's President Obama. And that's me locked up in 2008. President Obama asked for an investigation. President Obama asked for an investigation, and Fox been blocking that investigation. Won't open their mouth, but they talk about Marilyn Mosby. We're going to talk about Scott Shellenberger. Because this is the jewel of the Nile right there. Baltimore Rewired, the money behind the machine. That's Senator Cardin. I told y'all I was making a documentary in 2007. Senator Cardin said he couldn't be in the documentary. But Senator Cardin, you are the documentary. We're talking about the new face of old Jim Crow. Michelle Alexander's book. That's Ryan Dorsey, and that's my toilet. And like I said, we weaving in Baltimore. I'm a weaver. That's a book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Welcome to the shit show. All right? And that's 10 books. The Corruption Crew. That's 11 books. We're sending this to the Maryland State Board of Elections. All right? This is going to the Maryland State Board of Elections. Because right here is Clinton Kelly from Salt Lake City. See that? Dwayne G. Davis, Shorty's Country Ridge Store. This is supposed to have been going to the Sundance Film Festival in 2010. That's Peter Francott, State Controller. I'm a whistleblower. You see it? Whistleblower. 1/1/2015. Controller, Peter Francott. Revenue instruction. All right? Forged checks from Shorty's Pit Beef, March 2008. Also, all taxes paid. All right? Y'all going after Marilyn Mosby about taxes. Well, Peter Francott got taxes. He got to go after when I was locked up. Same tax violations. Jake Davis, James Hammond, Brother Insurance, Bank of America, SunTrust Bank. Like I said, I was making a movie. The movie's about you. Because you've been blocking this investigation since 2014. We can open up the book and show the people. You feel me? NAACP, that's where we was at. That's Nick Mosby. We talking about the corrupt cover-up crew. I was making a movie about y'all. Maryland's prison industry. O'Malley Brown's money machine. Got a story called Shorty. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Social media for social change. My name ain't changing. My number the same. My number's the same. It's a public number. I'm getting ready to cook you up. That's Brandon Scott. He got this. Shorty, pull your mask up? No. Those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger for kidnapping. Baltimore City got him. Baltimore County got him. These are the cases right here. I never got a trial. And we're going to get a trial. Evidence. Illinois, Maryland, city, county, state, and federal levels. Federal violations. That's the NAACP. Benjamin Jealous. Kobe Little. Josh Harris. Tessa. Yeah. We talking about the NAACP and how they covering it up. I'm going to give you Thurgood Marshall in 2022. Because we're going to the Supreme Court or the grand jury with this. This is evidence. That's Steny Hoyer. We talking about the Constitution. You feel me? We talking about the Constitution. And I'm going to get my constitutional rights. Happy Constitution Day. Social media for social change. That's the movie. Baltimore. We own this city. Baltimore The Wire. Well, this is a little bit deeper than that. This shows you the money behind the machine. The Wire was about the drugs and the war on drugs. That's Judge Turnbull, 2009. See it? 2009. 1402 Lochner. Judge Turnbull had that. Governor O'Malley had that. The ACLU, Terry Owens, ABC, Judge Boris, Quinn, Senator Cardin, Cummings, Mikulski. Like I said, that's Senator Cardin. That's the United States Senate. That's Senator Obama, President Obama. We voted for y'all. We're talking about your prison industry. Maryland Black Caucus, Monday, March 2009. You see that? Subject, Senator John Cardin. We talking about all the emails because I'm going to make sure that the public get to see this. Because you kidnapped me from my family. I'm getting ready to apply for amnesty. Amnesty International. Shorties. You see that? Shorty Davis is a Baltimore activist and has been involved in the issues including corruption, judicial system, police brutality, political transparency in the prison industry, the military-industrial complex. His program, Shorties. You feel me? My program, Shorties, got me elected to be Baltimore's best citywide. I'm asking for Amnesty International because I'm asking for political asylum. Mayor Jack Young, Mayor Brandon Scott, y'all got this. That's Congressman Cummings' office. You see that? Gene Walensky, Congressman Cummings' office. See the date? 2019, July. And I ain't got a trial yet. This is paperwork to prove my innocence. I'm an activist. That's Congressman Cummings. We talking about Maryland's Correctional Express annual report in 2018. We talking about the money you make off of black bodies. 14% drug users, 56% incarcerated. Like I said, this is Shorty production. Letter. All right. This is submitted to Judge Cox, Baltimore County. All right. Victims' rights under the Maryland constitutional law. And that's 2017. See that? That's State District Court. Honorable Judge Bennett. So TJ Smith got a deck of cards. That deck of cards is from Las Vegas. It was from my mother's house. So we're going to pull that deck of cards because you got 52 members of the Democratic Party that participated in this. 52 members of the Democratic Party that participated in this. I told you I was making a movie. Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner. You feel me? I told you I was making a movie. It was about Scott Shellenberger and Governor O'Malley's money machine. It's about the murder and the death of our kids in America. You want to stop the violence? End the war on drugs. Department of Justice got my paperwork. 2022, Supreme Court or the Grand Jury. Operation Greylord. You got 52 members going to go to jail. I'm going to put it on the silver screen so the world can see. Being Black in America, 2022.